We're going to remove the ESS Var racing bindings from skis today. What you'll notice is this area here bulges out farther than that one. That's critical to getting this thing off. So what you'll see here is a little tab that you'll put your screwdriver in, and by prying up it allows you to pull back and get this plastic piece off. So you can see that locks into here. Right? Now that you've got that off, you can take these tabs here, put the big screwdriver, rotate them away, rotate this one away, and that, pop up that steel. Now hold that steel up, of course. Hold that steel up, and the back binding comes right out. Okay? I'm going to put that on newspaper or paper towel because it is greasy. The next trick is you grab this bar, pop it up, push it all the way forward, hold this, slide it back without stabbing your hand preferably, and now you slide it forward, and you'll see that as soon as you slide it forward, it comes right out. You'll see what holds it on there is this pin, observe. Other than the fact that this guy's broken. In theory, this guy lifts that pin up. That's how it gets out of the track holes here. Now, we're simply down to a few screws. And unfortunately, I don't have a posi-track head, so I'll just use my big Phillips. Unscrew this guy. Unscrew this guy. Unscrew that guy. Now you've got some spare screws. The front binding is fully removed. The back, the brake is its own assembly, so if you unscrew these screws, this brake won't explode in your face, so you don't have to worry about that. Those springs will fly across the room like normal gear tends to do. And that guy there. Drop your screwdriver. Alright. This guy here. Okay, this little tab floats with the screw, and there you have it. ESS Var racing bindings removed quite easily.